There it is.
Ooh, child. Ooh. I feel like I'm cracking peanuts. It's like, it just brings like this. Whew.
Hey guys, Ave Clerge, a DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Nakai. Am I saying it right?
Yes, Nakai.
Oh, Nakai, right?
Yes.
So Nakai, you're also a vlogger, right? Like you have like a YouTube channel and everything?
Yeah, like lifestyle content creating, just updating my travels, life, like every day, like, you know, stuff.
I see.
Stuff. Yeah. And I'm a brand owner too. I have an accessory line that's coming out. So.
Oh, I see. So what is your YouTube channel? Do you know it by heart?
My YouTube is just Nakai Carey. Instagram,
Nakai Carey.
YouTube, everything is Nakai Carey.
Nakai Carey. Okay, so then we'll put the links up on the video. That way, anybody in the DMV want to reach out to you.
Yeah. Everyone keeps saying, "Oh my God, let me know." And I said, "I'm gonna let you guys know, so that'll be good." So, yeah.
Right. So they can see how your treatment went.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
All right. Perfect. So DMV folks, check out Nakai. Check out her YouTube channel. Check out her Instagram as well. So you came in with complaints of neck, upper, lower back. So basically the whole thing, right?
Yeah, the whole thing is it's been happening for a very long time, but I can't really sleep at night because it's so uncomfortable. I have to get rubs constantly, and it starts from the shoulders, the middle, and I really don't know. And I told you before, once I got a massage, she told me something was out of place, and I noticed when I stand up, one shoulder's uneven, so I just think just you know, get back together.
Right, you want to kind of get realigned and see what's going on. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'll do is I'll check your ranges of motion, and I'll do some palpation, and I'll press down a certain part of the muscles just to see, you know, what's tight, what's tender. Okay. And then after that, we'll get you stretched out. Okay? So the stretches are to kind of increase your muscle flexibility. Yeah. And it prepares you for the adjustment. That way you're not stiff, right?
Gotcha.
And then after that, you'll come back to me, you'll get adjusted.
Okay.
After the adjustment, you'll get a massage. The massage is to target the muscles, basically, okay? To kind of decrease stiffness and muscle tension, okay? All right, so let's have you stand up for me. All right, so what I'm going to have you do, you're going to bend, and you're going to try and touch both feet. Don't bend your legs, okay? All right, how's that?
It just feels like I'm pulling, that's it.
Like a little bit of pulling, okay?
Yeah.
Let's have you come back up. Okay, so some pulling, but no pain, nothing like that, right?
But it's like minor.
Minor. Okay, but nothing too major.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Let's have you stand, face this direction for me. Okay. Both arms are coming up, and you're going to slowly, don't do it yet, but you're going to slowly rotate to the right, slowly rotate to the left, okay? But let's have you right here. I'm going to hold on to your hips, okay? That way your motion is strictly lumbars. Okay. So let's go to the right. Good. Let's go to the other side. Good. Okay. Now, how was that?
It's hurting right here.
You feel it right in here. Gotcha. Okay. So now, let's look at your lateral flexion. So you're going to go side to side. Don't bend forward. Strictly side bending right and left.
Am I going all the way down?
Well, yeah, as far as you can, to the point where you're comfortable. How's that?
It's not excruciating, but it's still like a little pain.
It's still a little pain.
Yeah, a little. Everything is minor pain.
Gotcha. Let's go to the other side. How's that?
The same.
It's the same.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha.
It's like, ooh, like that.
Like you feel it. Gotcha. Okay, have a seat. Now, let's take a look at your head and neck range of motion, okay? So, no, you can actually sit in that direction, you're fine. Okay. What I'll have you do, you're going to look down for me. Let me know how that feels.
It's like a lot of pressure.
A lot of pressure? So, okay. Now, let's have you rotate. So you're going to go to the right, and then to the left. How's that motion?
It's minor pains and it's kind of giving me a little headache a little bit.
You got a little headache when you do that, when you do that rotation? Okay, let's have you go side to side. So it's gonna be this motion, that motion. Okay, but I'll let you know when. Let's have you go to this side first. So to the side. Good. Let's go to the other side. How's that? Is that uncomfortable?
A little.
A little. Okay, gotcha. Okay. All right. So what we'll do, we'll start with the stretches first, okay? Like I said, we just want to decrease tension, increase your flexibility, and of course prepare you for the adjustment. So what I'm going to do, take this leg here. I'm going to apply a little pressure right here. I want you to just relax. Just let that leg go for me. There you go. Good. And I'm going to bring it up and apply a little bit of pressure. There you go. Good. How's that?
Okay.
That's okay? All right. Can I go a little bit further?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Take a deep breath, blow it out, and relax your body for me. There you go. Good. I'm going to bring that leg down. We're going to do the same thing again. I'm going to bring it up. Deep breath, blow it out, and relax for me. There you go. Good. How's that? Is that uncomfortable?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Let's do that again one last time. Bringing that leg up. Take a deep breath, blow it out, relax. Perfect. Okay, good. Same thing on this side.
Okay.
So the key is to relax. I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure. Take a deep breath for me. Blow it out. And relax. There you go. Good. Okay, perfect. Let's go again. Bring the leg up. I want you to take a deep breath, blow it out, and relax. Good, 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 good. Let's do that one last time for me. Deep breath, blow it out. Relax your body for me. There you go. Perfect. Good. Okay. All right. How was that?
It was fine.
That was fine?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now I'm going to have you on your side, okay? What you want to do is just relax for me. Just let that leg go. And we're going to stretch this way. Take a deep breath. Blow it out. And relax. How's that?
Mm-hmm.
That's not too bad?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Relax for me. We're gonna do it again.
Mm-hmm.
Take a deep breath, blow it out. Relax your body. There you go. Good, 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 good. Perfect. Okay, good. We're going to do that one more time.
Okay.
Deep breath, blow it out, and just relax for me. Relax, 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 relax. How's that?
It's fine.
That's fine?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's a slight,
Slight discomfort?
Yeah,
Slight pull. Well, yeah, you're going to feel a little discomfort because you're stretching. Yeah, that's expected.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to switch sides, okay?
Okay.
And I'm going to take this leg, bring it back. Now relax for me. There you go. Good. Take a deep breath, blow it out, and just relax. There you go. Good, 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 good. Perfect. Let's go back again to the center. All right. One more time. I'm going to take a deep breath, blow it out. I want you to relax for me there. Good, 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 good. Perfect. Okay. We're going to do it one last time. Take a deep breath, blow it out. Relax your body for me. Relax, relax. There you go. Good, good, good. Perfect. Okay. And bring that leg down. Okay. How was that? Was that uncomfortable?
No.
Not too bad?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Okay.
Go ahead and reach over, take a big deep breath, and let it out. Good. How's that?
A little pain, but it's good.
It's not too. Okay,
Mm-mm.
good. Okay, let's come out. We're gonna switch. Same thing on this side. Twist for me. Take a big deep breath, and let it out. So the whole point of the brush, you want to make sure that we're in sync with the breath. So as you feel me stretching, that's when you want to exhale because it will allow you to extend a little further, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and switch back out. Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. To the left side. Big deep breath for me. And let it out. Good, good, good. You see how I kind of let you like go a little bit further?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and switch back to the right side. Big deep breath. And let it out. Good. I'm going to do one more time on each side, okay? Whenever you're ready. Big deep breath. And let it out. Good. Okay, last time on the other side. Alright, big deep breath. And let it out. Good. A little bit more pressure. Okay, that's perfect. This one, I'll have you place your hands behind your hair, but you're going to go under your hair and interlock your fingers. Alright, so go ahead. Make sure that these are very relaxed, okay? Because I'm going to stretch them back this way.
Okay.
So just take a big deep breath for me. And as you feel me stretch it, let it out. Good. How's that?
Mm-hmm.
It's not too tight?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Good. All right, we're gonna do it again. So kind of relax, that way I'm able to go, yes, back this way. Yes, perfect. So take a big deep breath and let it out. Good, how's that?
That's fine.
You feel like I can go further?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good. That was perfect. I'm just gonna do that one more time, okay?
Okay.
Take deep breath when you're ready. And go ahead and let it out. Good, good, good. Perfect. I'm gonna take both your legs, make sure that you loosen, you relax, and I'm gonna bend them up towards your chest. So make sure you take that big deep breath before you feel me stretch. As I'm stretching, that's when you wanna exhale it, okay? So go ahead and take a big deep breath. And let it out. How's that? It's not too tight, right? Good. Okay, come back down. Once you're ready, big deep breath. Good. And let it out. Good. Perfect. Big deep breath for me. And go ahead and let it out. Good. Perfect. And arch your back for me just a little bit. Thank you. Go ahead and relax. I'm sorry, a little bit more. Okay, there. Is that comfortable? Okay, go ahead and relax all the way down. Good. So we're gonna do the same exact thing, okay? Legs up, big deep breath for me. And let it out. How's that? Feels a little bit better with this one? Good. Down, big deep breath, and let it out. Good. One more time, okay? If it's too much or too tight, just let me know.
Okay.
Last one, big deep breath, and let it out. Good, 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 good. How's that? Is that okay? Good. Perfect. And you ready for Dr. Clerge? Go ahead and lift up for me.
So, how did the stretches go with the other young lady?
The stretches went very well.
Went pretty well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, were you stiff? I mean, tighter than you anticipated?
I was about the same.
About the same?
But it did feel good when she was stretching me.
Gotcha.
To bring those, up and down.
Right. You felt them. Yeah. Okay, gotcha. All right, so we'll start with the lower back, and then we'll work our way up. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so just going to check your movements again, okay?
Okay.
I'm just going to apply some pressure in this area here. And then what I'll have you do is I'll have you rotate to the right for me there a bit. Let's have you extend. Okay, good. That's not too bad? Not too bad. All right, let's rotate to the other side. Extend. That's not too bad? Not too bad. Okay. All right, I'm going to have you on your side. A little closer. There you go. Good. Now square your shoulder up like this. Good. Cross your arms for me like that. Good. Now, bring your body closer to the end of the table. There you go, just like that. Head was right in the middle. Perfect. This leg is going to be straight. So straighten this leg out for me. All the way out. Good. I'm going to bend this leg. Now, it's going to feel like you're falling off the table. You're not, okay?
Okay.
Just relax. Remember, if you don't relax, nothing happens, okay? All right. I'm going to power picture lower back. So right here, this is where we're focusing on. And take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Let's do that again. Deep breath. Out. There it is. Yes, ma'am. How did that feel?
Intense.
Was that painful?
No.
Okay. Next adjustment, we're going to focus on the lumbars. Okay. Square your shoulder up a little bit more. There you go. Good. Head goes right in the groove for me. Perfect. And I'm going to square you up again. There you go. Good. Loosen yourself up. There you go. Good. This leg is straight. This time, I'm going to do it just a little bit different, okay? I'm going to reach in like this time. And just hold on to me. There you go. Good. You can just hold on, relax your body. There you go. Just like that. Good. Bring your body a little bit closer to the end of the table. Perfect. All right. Hold on a little tighter. Take a deep breath in for me. Let it out. There it is. Yes, ma'am. How did that feel?
Okay.
Felt pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
No pain, right?
No.
Okay, gotcha. Let's have you sit up for me. Okay. All right. Now, we're going to focus on this portion right here, okay? Lower thoracic, we'll get a little bit of the mid thoracics as well. Okay. All right.
Okay.
All right. We're going to take both hands. Bring them behind your head, interlock your fingers for me. Good.
Do you want a tight lock or?
No, you're good right where you are. Mm-hmm. I'm going to bring you back. You got to relax. Just drop on me. There you go. Good. Nice. Now, take a deep breath. Blow it out. Good. Remember, you have to relax your body, okay? Deep breath. Out. There it is. Yes, ma'am. How did that feel?
It felt good. It felt good.
That was a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's been up there.
Yeah.
Fighting to get out.
You needed that one.
Mm-hmm.
Rotate right, rotate left. Let me know how that. Not too bad?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
That's okay.
That's pretty good. Okay. So, that was the lower thoracics, mid thoracics. That's what we got adjusted, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we got the SI joint, the lumbars, lower mid. So now working our way up. So this is the next area we're targeting, okay?
Okay.
All right? It's the lower cervical than the upper thoracic. So C7, T1, T2, T3, that area, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So let me have you stand up for me. I'm gonna wipe off this since your feet was on it. And then I'm gonna have you face down, okay?
Okay.
So, but I want you to just relax for me, okay?
Okay.
Bring your hair out a little bit. Okay, good. All right. Okay. Now
Is
remember.
my legs firm?
No, you're fine right where you are. Mm-hmm. Okay. So I want you to just take a deep breath and blow it out for me. And relax. So you're stiff. Okay, so you let your head go. Like I should be able to kind of move your head like that, right, like that. So just relax as much as you can.
Okay, so let me just get it together because I don't think I'm doing it purposely.
Right, I know. Yeah, because you were
so
resisting.
stiff. Yeah, it's
right.
so yeah. Okay.
Right. So basically, this adjustment, I will be pushing your head this way. So you have to like just let everything go and just relax, okay? Because if you don't relax, it won't work. So let's go back to the middle. Relax for me. Good, there you go. Relax, relax. Still a little stiff, relax. There it is. Yes, ma'am. How was that?
Loud and good. Okay.
So you see the key is you have to relax.
Yeah, I see.
If you're fighting me, it's not gonna work.
Yeah, I'm trying to let go.
Let's go to the other side.
Okay.
Good? Okay, so head back, right back in that middle for me. Good. And just relax. There you go. Good. Relax, relax, relax. There it is. Yes, ma'am. Yep. Come up. Sit up. Was that painful? No. Okay, gotcha. So now you can kind of like rotate and do your head around for me. Let me know how you feel. Not bad?
No, not bad.
Not bad. Okay, perfect. The next adjustment, we're going to focus on the cervical, okay? So we got the cervical thoracic area right in here, okay? So now these next two adjustments, I'm focusing right here, okay? All right. So once again, you know what the key is, right?
Relax.
There you go. All right, so when I tell you to drop your head, you just drop your head like this, okay? All right. I'm going to palpate your neck first. Okay. Go ahead and drop your head for me. That was fast and quick.
Yeah.
How was that?
It's like it just brings like this, like that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. See, it's not painful. A lot of people are afraid of the cracking sound, right?
Yeah.
But
No.
you don't.
I mean, it is a little frightening, but it's just like, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the sound is frightening, right? But then when it happens, it's
really fast.
It's really fast. So it's like, what just happened?
It does like make you feel like your whole body just said that.
Yeah. Absolutely.
You know, so, yeah.
Absolutely. All right. So one last one.
Okay.
Same scenario. I'm gonna palpate first, and then when I tell you to drop your head, you're gonna drop your head and relax. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Drop your head for me. Relax.
Ooh. Child. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. That one was something else. I felt like I'm cracking peanuts. Yeah. Okay.
That's not too bad.
Mm-mm.
Get up, move around. Overall, let me know how you feel.
It's like my brain is kind of like in shock a little bit. Like, I don't know what to feel, but it definitely feels like, you know.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. All right. There you go.
Some more?
Mm-hmm. Bring both legs up. I'm going to put this underneath. There you go. Good. Perfect. Bring your head up for me. Drop your head. Good. Okay. I'm going to do a few pulls.
Okay.
You let me know how it feels, okay? All right.
It's a little
Is that tight? Is that painful?
tight,
Tight.
but it's not painful.
Not painful. Yeah, you'll
And
feel.
this thing is slipping down. Is that okay?
It's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Take one big breath. Let it out. Okay. How was that?
I just feel some stretching.
Yeah. So that's usually what it feels like. Okay.
Mm.
What I'll have you do, I'll have you come up in a few minutes. Okay. You'll do all the ranges of motion for me again. And then after that, we're going to focus on massages.
Okay.
Okay. So just move your head and neck around for me. Let me know how you feel. Good. Not too bad?
Mm-mm.
Not too bad. Let's have you come up.
Come up?
Mhm.
Oh.
Stand up. Just move around all over. Compared to when you first came in, how stiff you were, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I definitely feel loose.
Loose, right?
Yeah, loose. and
Loose.
stuff, yeah.
Okay. So now what we're going to do, they're going to do massages, okay?
Yeah. Like right here definitely feels a little.
Feels, yeah.
Yeah.
And they'll start from the neck all the way down to the lower back.
Yeah, because it was like rocks.
Yeah, I know.
Did you feel it?
Yeah. But then with the massages, they'll get all that too.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right.